friends, welcome to Kids Lab. Today we are going to do an interesting experiment, that is rising water experiment. So let's begin. The materials are a candle, matchbox, a glass, a plate and colored water. Let's start. First, let's put some colored water into a plate. Now let's place a lighting candle on the plate. Magic! Let's keep a glass on the candle. Ooh! The water is rising! The reason is, when the candle blows off, the pressure inside the glass is decreased. So the water entered into the glass. Thank you. See you next time. Hey friends, if you like my video, please share it, subscribe it and press the bell icon.